the first recipe what I am going to do is wheat flour dosa. This will look and taste as good as a regular dosa and perfect. For the next item, I am going to make stuffed egg paratha. The kids, they want fun. With the food, they want some entertainment. We are going to make kids loving noodles kind of thing. The next one is Halwa Puri. The cashew nuts are also... Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef. And today we're going to make breakfast ideas with wheat flour. You know, wheat flour, we make parathas and all that, but there is lot more great ideas that you can do. The first recipe what I'm going to do is wheat flour dosa. This will look and taste as good as a regular dosa and perfect. First, we're going to take wheat flour. We have to give a short crust kind of effect. In this, we're going to add some salt to taste. We're also going to add a little bit of baking powder. This baking powder will give that kind of nice aeration kind of effect what we see on dosa. If you add water to this, it will become lumpy and pasty. It will not come out crispy. So to do that crispy texture, we're going to add some butter into the whole wheat flour. Mix it, and this is the short crust effect. Add water, make this into just like dosa atta. First, mix all of this and add enough water to make it like a dosa dough. Always make dosa on a hot pan. Pour the batter, and you can make a nice thin, crispy and beautiful dosas. A lot of people, they try this, they don't know the short crust technique, and they will not be able to get good ones. Cook it till you get a nice color on these dosas. This is wheat flour, great idea for making dosas in the morning, and this is instant dosa. These ones will come out absolutely fantastic. Look at them. Beautiful color, and you will have the nice and crispy dosas. For the next item, I am going to make stuffed egg paratha. You know, very easy to make. Kids will just love it, and some variation to it. Instead of making an omelette and a roti, we are going to mix all of them together. Take some chopped onion, chopped green chili. You add a little bit of pepper powder to remove the eggy raw kind of flavor. Coriander powder or a little bit of cumin powder, you can do it. In this, add some chopped coriander, some salt, add tomatoes. See, the tomatoes will make the inside nice and juicy. Mix so that the salt is nicely, evenly mixed. And in this, break in 2 eggs. Paratha kind of thing. We're going to add 2 eggs. 2 eggs. Beat this well. This one is ready. And now, we're going to make the very nice thin chapati like thing and make it round as big as possible, and then we're going to cook it on the tawa. Chapati dough, make it as big as possible and put the roti on the tawa. Usually I cook the roti on a very high flame so that the roti comes soft. Here I don't care. I don't want the roti to come soft. I want it to have some texture. We are going to cook this little bit on one side, and then we're going to turn the other side. Turn it to the other side. One side it is slightly cooked. On this, we're going to add a little bit of butter. On this, we're going to pour the egg. So the kids, they want fun. With the food, they want some entertainment. So once you put this, now you can convert into any shape you want. You can put like a triangle, you can make this into a simple square like this. The other side also. Look at that, that roti is getting colored, and you don't need, some of that egg can be exposed also, no big deal. The kids, they are going to get a nice, beautiful, perfect paratha. The butter is there inside, so on the outside, little bit of oil. Let this oil get in there and let it cook. You want a nice color. You want this egg to be done. The roti is done, so some of this egg will fall out, but very quick. So look at this. Look at this. I say this is nice, stuffed, awesome paratha. The inside egg, everything will be cooked because you're cooking on a slow flame, and this is all ready. Cut it the way you want. This is all ready to serve. The next recipe is, again, we're going to make a thin chapati. The shape doesn't matter, because when this is ready, we're going to make kids loving noodles kind of thing, that too with the chapati atta. Let this cook not fully, little bit cooked, and then we're going to shred it thin like noodles. Very little coloring should be good enough. And this one, you're going to convert into like noodles. I've already done one. For breakfast, you can just cut it slightly thicker the way this one, and otherwise also. Take this done chapati, you can have fun with the kids around and you can just do fantastic. All you need to do is cut it like this and you will have this noodles ready. Make sure that the roti is nice and soft, only then you will be able to cut them into like thin noodles. This is nice and ready. We're going to make something fantastic that kids will just love. Add oil on a hot tawa. We're going to add all the vegetables. First green chili, garlic, in this beans, and then add carrot. Just toss. In this add spring onion, the white one, cabbage, capsicum, everything. I'm just adding extra vegetables so that your kids will get whatever you're trying to give them. In this add the chili sauce, some soya sauce. The salt is there enough, but we're going to move them aside. We're going to also add egg. Break in one egg, add some crushed pepper, add pinch of salt, toss all of this together. Vegetables, everything tossed up here, and in this we're going to add the bread noodles. You can make it slightly crispy also you want. Toss all of them. Let these bread, everything slightly get fried underneath. Then you will get this fantastic, the whole wheat atta noodles and with egg, and that too for breakfast. No matter you may be a big chef, but always taste it. This is fuming. Maybe some more salt. You want some chopped coriander in this. This is all ready to serve and fantastic. Your breakfast chapati noodles. Why should you give them some noodles that are manufactured maybe a few months ago? No. All you can do is give the kids morning breakfast, and that too, we made noodles and they will just love it. I wanted to add some chopped coriander, and you want to add some spring onions, this nice crunchy. What an idea. Roti atta converted into awesome noodles. The next one is Halwa Puri. We're going to take around 50 grams of ghee for 100 grams of flour. We're going to add the wheat flour, and just like the way we cook the roux, we're going to cook this on a slow flame till this is nice and slightly brown. So be careful, keep mixing and keep cooking in like this. While you're doing this, add some cashew nuts. After slow cooking, this is slightly got the brown color, nice dark. In this I'm going to add the kishmish also, and in this I'm going to add some sugar. Here I've got jaggery and water. I made this into a syrup and I'm going to add to this. Slowly cook this till this becomes a nice thick halwa. This will be done in no time, and we're going to make the puri also. Look at this, it has to be turned nice, soft and perfect. I think I can add little more water in this. So my halwa is super ready. The cashew nuts are also nice and dark and perfect. The kishmish in this are slightly puffing, and this halwa is ready. Next we'll make puri and enjoy them. Whenever you are having great breakfast, you can make with the atta rotis and you can enjoy. Whether you make the dosas with atta or anything, they will come out nice. All you need is some technique. I prefer the fresh vegetable pickles with this atta dosa. Very, very easy to make. Pinch of baking powder and some oil into the flour. Make a dosa batter and do it. Beautiful egg parathas. The chapati is nicely stuffed with onion, tomato and eggs, and the onion tomato will add the nice moisture. The nice omelette stuffed roti. Instead of giving just chapati, you convert them into nice wonderful noodles, and we added eggs, enhanced it. Life is beautiful with this. My God. The fourth item for today is our halwa and puri. So this halwa, we made it so easy, so nice, and they come out nice and perfect. When you serve the halwa, I just love to eat the puri halwa itself is a great combination. With the same wheat flour, I made the puris. With the same wheat flour, I made the halwa. But the kid in me is going to say, wow, wow, wow. As I always say, be creative. Make fantastic food because you have whatever. Your food has to be whatever, nothing less. Keep making, share these recipes with your family and friends, and always keep saying whatever.